Let's shortly see how to use row numbers in filters and how to select nth entry. Here are our dummy entries, and if I use filter, of these I can use row as a condition. And of course, our row is always positive number, so it is always true. If row greater than 5, then I'll go. If a row will be even, it will also give correct result is even. Okay, but in this case we rely on a row number. For instance, if I add row above, so even rows will become the next one. The same for is odd. And the same works if I delete, the odd row will become a different number of row. And also if I just select the wall entry, NA for now, because this one can be cursed as true or false, but not equals, empty will go and create correct. And also I can select the last entry knowing about index function. It has the ability to select the nth row, which is the last. The last is count A or count of numbers of rows. So knowing this, I also can easily select the last entry or previous before the last, A5, and so forth, if you change this number. And that's the trick.